What do you stand to lose if you don't have disability income protection? You rely on your income. You use it to pay your bills, provide for yourself and your family, and do fun things too. Imagine you become ill and can't go to work for a long time. 90% of disabilities are due to an illness, not an injury. It takes time to recover from an illness. The average long-term disability claim lasts a little less than 3 years. What would happen if you couldn't go to work for 3 years? Most people don't have 3 years of emergency savings, so how will you earn the income you need? Disability income insurance protects your ability to earn an income and your future earning potential. For example, if you earn $100,000 a year and are unable to work for 3 years, you stand to lose approximately $300,000 during the time of your disability. That's a lot of money you could be saving for your future, like your child's college expenses or your own retirement. Not to mention the workplace benefits you could lose the longer your disability lasts. And 3 years is much too long for sick days or paid time off to cover your time away from work. Disability insurance gives you time to get better and helps replace your income. You're working hard to earn your income. Don't forget to protect it.